So hello guys, welcome to iTech Hub YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 14.4.2 updates, review on iPhone 7, 7 Plus, and also what's the new features in iOS 14.4.2. So guys, Apple today released the iOS and iPadOS 14.4.2 minor security update that come close to 3 weeks after release the iPadOS and also iOS 14.4.1 and more than 1 month after iOS and iPadOS 14.4 update. Apple released iOS 14.4.2 update addresses critical WebKit security flaw. The iOS 14.4.2 updates does not introduce the new features in iPhone 7 Plus. It's entirely focused on the addressing a critical security flaw that discover WebKit. So guys, how to install the iOS 14.4.2? The iOS and also iPadOS 14.4.2 updates can be downloaded for free. The software available on the settings app. So guys, how to install and download iOS 14.4.2 update on iPhone 7 Plus. So guys, first of all, open the settings app in your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on the general. In general, you can see also second option is software update. So please tap on that, then you can see also iOS 14.4.2 updates available on your iPhone 7 Plus. The size of the iOS 14.4.2 updates is 176.5 MB in iPhone 7 Plus. Now you can see also download and install option, so please tap on that and easy to iOS install in iPhone 7 Plus. Which iPhone models get the iOS 14.4.2 updates? This update is for the compatible iPhones with iPadOS 14.4.2 for the compatible iPads. Compatibility for the iPhones gone base as fair the iPhone 6s, including the iPhone SE plus the 7th generation's iPad Touch. For the iPad, you are good if you have any iPad Pro, iPad Air 2 more recently, and iPad Mini for the nearest iPin for the 5th generations on iPhone and iPad. Now I will show you iOS 14.4.2 build number on iPhone 7 Plus. So guys, first of all, open the settings app. In settings app, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, you can see also about options. So please tap on that, then you can see also software versions. So the build number of the iOS 14.4.2 updates 18D70 in iPhone 7 Plus. Now iOS 14.4.2 update after connectivity on iPhone 7 and also 7 Plus. So guys, first one is Wi-Fi connectivity is fast and reliable in iPhone 7 Plus. Now second one is Bluetooth is working normally in iPhone 7 and also 7 Plus. Now third one is GPS and circular data are both stable on iPhone 7 and also 7 Plus. iOS 14.4.2 update after battery life on iPhone 7 Plus. So guys, in this video I will show you battery life about iOS 14.4.2 update after. So guys, battery life is currently stable on iPhone 7 and also 7 Plus models. So guys, iOS 14.4.2 update after app performance on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. So guys, first one is third party including the Dark Sky, Netflix, Twitter, Gmail, Spotify are working fine at that moment. And also second one is first party app like Safari and Calendar work fine in iPhone 7 Plus and 7. Now iOS 14.4.2 update after speed on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Now iOS 14.4.2 currently feel as a fast iOS 14.4.1 and also iOS 14.4. If your iPhone is iOS 14.4.1 and or older versions of the iOS, please download and install the iOS 14.4.2 in your iPhone and iPads. We are also seeing the complaint about the AI lag, AirPlay issue, Touch ID, Face ID issue, battery drain issue with the first and third party apps, Wi-Fi problems, Bluetooth problem, green teeth issue, CarPlay issue with widget, lookup, freeze and crashes issue on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Now iOS 14.4.2 update after any problem show in your iPhone 7, 7 Plus and also other models. So guys, please comment on this video comment sections and I will try fix that problem in your iPhones. iOS 14.4.2 update after battery drain issue saw in your iPhone all models? If you saw, so please comment on this video comment sections also. I hope these informations work for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much.